2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 could make 525 horsepower. That means the limited edition model will sit atop the 5.0-liter V8 hierarchy. Based on a new report from Ford Authority, it sounds like the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 single-S V8 engine will get significantly more power than we first thought. Citing a source familiar with Ford's product plans, the outlet says engineers are targeting 525 horsepower and 450 pounds-foot of torque. A full 45 ponies and 30 pounds-foot more than the limited edition Bullitt it was believed to replace, and nearly matches the Shelby GT350 single-S 526 horsepower and 429 pounds-foot, which serves as further proof, if true, that the GT350 is indeed being discontinued after the 2020 model year. We know the Mustang Mach 1 will use a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, which in GT trim makes 460 horsepower. Turning that up to 500-plus ponies wouldn't be difficult with bolt-on aftermarket parts, but from an ohm standpoint the trick would be increasing power while maintaining reliability. One way this could be achieved is by rating the GT350 single-S parts bin. Ford already did this for the Bullitt, borrowing the GT350 single-S intake manifold, and as we've pointed out in the photos, it's clear the Mach 1 inherits many other parts from the GT350. It is possible the Mach 1 could also receive the freer breathing heads from the Shelby GT350 single-S flat-planed crank 5.2-liter Voodoo V8. Flip through the Ford Performance catalog, and you'll see the Blue Oval has already done the work to adapt those heads to a Coyote with its Illuminator crit engine. If Ford Authority's source is to be believed, it's one more nail in the coffin for the beloved GT350. We'll certainly miss the high-revving pony car, but we're intrigued to learn more about its replacement. It's finally official, the Ford Mustang Mach 1 is back, and according to Mustang director Dave Perkake, it'll be the most track-capable 5.0-liter Mustang ever. Considering how good the Mustang GT Performance Pack 2 is? Those are bold words. But the Blue Oval confirms that the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 will be perched on the highest rung of the 5.0-liter Mustang ladder, at least for however long the limited edition model remains on sale. Beyond that, few other details were given. But we do get to see the new pony car undergoing track testing for the first time. Though the front and rear ends of the Mach 1 remain camouflaged, a few details peek out. The most obvious difference is the Mach 1 single-S circular air inlets, or fog light holes flanking the galloping horse emblem in the grille. The look is likely a callback to the original 1969 Mustang Mach 1 with its grille-mounted fogs. Additionally, both the upper and lower grilles get a unique honeycomb mesh pattern. Around back, you can see bazooka-sized quad exhaust pipes and a rear wing that looks a lot like the recently refreshed Shelby GT350 single-S. Also, like the GT350, the Mach 1 wears ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires measuring 305/30 at the front. That high-performance rubber is wrapped around a multi-spoke 19-inch wheel, which hides a massive Brembo brake caliper. We expect much, if not all, of the Performance Package 2 single-quote S-Dynamic kit to make its way to the Mach 1. As we speculated previously, it sounds like the Mach 1 will replace the Bullitt in the lineup as the limited production juiced Mustang GT. That could mean the Mach 1 will get the Bullitt's higher output 5.0-liter Coyote V8, which makes 480 horsepower, an extra 20 over the standard GT thanks to an intake manifold derived from the one in the GT350. And judging by the pictures, a lot more than just a manifold will trickle down from the GT350 to the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Pricing has yet to be announced, though Ford says the Mach 1 has historically bridged the gap between the GT and Shelby models. That could mean the Mach 1 will start somewhere around $50,000. Which is about how much the Bullitt cost. Then again, we've also heard that the GT350 has been axed for 2021, which would leave an opening at the higher end of the price spectrum below the top dog GT500.